May 1st on the calendar, and clearly the man in the backyard is thinking about the garden.
It is time to start planting, Scott. I don't see any frost in our forecast from now until the next 2 weeks. And hey, past that, we might not see any frost either. We have seen frost as late as May 25th here in the Scranton area, but I just don't see it in our forecast. So it's time to start planting. I'm tilling the soil tomorrow at 7 o'clock. You'll see all of the plants that Kurt and I will plant throughout the afternoon. Tune in to see that tomorrow. And speaking of things doing outdoors, you know, and maybe some of you are planning on gardening, or maybe some of you are fishing. I have a video from our photographer, Mike DeFleury, of the fishing forecast. Well, there it is. Before we show the fishing forecast, there's Lackawanna State Park. Some great shots of anglers enjoying the day out on a kayak, catching some good fish, and enjoying a beautiful day with lots of sunshine and light breeze. All kinds of people out along the lake shores and waterfronts there in Lake Wallenpaupack. Even some cute ducks, too, enjoying the wonderful weather. And if you're planning on going fishing tomorrow, here is your fishing forecast. We'll have clearing skies by tomorrow morning. We will have some showers and storms tonight, even lasting past the midnight hour. But by tomorrow morning, we'll start to clear up the skies. It will be humid and warm, and I think it'll be a good period if you're planning on going out to get some outdoor time in, because once we get into the afternoon, start warming things up, adding the energy to the atmosphere, shaking things up and causing storms once again into the afternoon and evening. So here's your current satellite and radar picture. We've got storms already brewing there in south central Pennsylvania, just to the west of Harrisburg near Altoona and State College. These storms right now are causing a severe thunderstorm watch to be issued for Union and Snyder counties, the two counties closest to these storms, and they'll make it there by the time we get to around 8:30. Lock Haven will see them just past 8 o'clock, Williamsport past 8:30, Bloomsburg by around 8:51. And if you live in Towanda, you'll see them around 9:33. And then we've got more storms. You see them near Erie. Those will work their way towards us, too, into the latter portion of the evening towards midnight. And we'll continue to see those storms until around 3 a.m. I don't expect many of them to turn severe, but some of them could have, you know, those higher winds and maybe some quick flooding downpours, maybe even some small pea-sized hail. So just be careful tonight if you're going out. Keep an eye on the radar. Could encounter one of those storms. And we're going to have several rounds of storms. You can see how expansive the moisture is all the way out to Montana and even as far west as New Mexico and Arizona. So all this moisture going to continue to pass over us in a slow fashion and give us a chance for rainfall from now through the weekend, even in parts of next week as well. Here's a live view at Williamsport. Much cloudier there than it is here. And there's a look at your sunset photo from Lake Wallenpaupack. You've got a beautiful reflection of the sunlight there on the lake surface. Very nice current video from Lake Wallenpaupack. Current temperature right now 73 degrees with winds coming out of the south at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures feeling a lot more like near summertime rather than the first day of May. We were up to 78 in Williamsport, 77 for Avoca. We're up to 79 for Selinsgrove. Still in the 70s and upper 60s across the region. Warmer than we were 24 hours ago. 5 to 15, even near 20 degrees warmer. So we're going to have those storms tonight. They're going to work their way into central Pennsylvania. Some of them could pack some downpours, rumbles of thunder, lightning. This happens between say 7 and midnight. Could blossom over parts of the valley cities closer to midnight and continue till around 3 or 4 o'clock before losing their energy and clearing out for the morning hours. Then we've got sunshine starting to peak out by tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, that heating of the day will help to fuel storms once again throughout the afternoon and evening. Some of these also possibly turning severe. The further west you live, you have a higher capability of them turning severe. And Saturday, we got more rain showers in the morning and again in the evening. Here's your dog walking forecast. This is Gibbs, and this is a very special picture. Donna says that it was his first bee sting. You can see it right there. I'm sorry, Gibbs. I hope you don't have any more. And if you're planning on going out with Gibbs, be careful for bees, but also be careful of the rain showers. We're going to have them into the evening, and around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they'll wrap up. Rainfall amounts anywhere from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch tonight. Then on Friday, we'll have another 1/4 inch. And Saturday through Sunday, we could pick up anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. That'll really help us with our drought. That's your 7-day forecast. We're above average all the way through the next 7 days into the 70s. And of course, tomorrow in the 80s. We're tracking those showers and storms. Just keep a look on the radar in case you encounter any of them. Come inside, they'll be passing, and then you can go back out.
Good stuff, Jeremy. We'll see you tonight.
Yep.
Thank you.